Glade. Move a beaver there so we can take it back. That's it. That's all I want.
Oh, that place? No one's ever moving back there.
Why not?
It's too loud.
What do you mean, too loud?
Ugh, there's just this noise. It sounds like, No, that's not it. It's more like a ring, 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 ring.
It's like... It is...
Ah, the loud place noise.
It's a walk, walk, walk.
To me, the noise is more like a... You know, like a... It's higher like that.
There's sort of a...
Oh, no. It's more of a...
Come on, I'll just show you.